Hey Clayton, this is Paul Heck with Grassfire. Just wanted to send you a quick video of your website and showing you some things that we talked about yesterday. Um, I've got a couple of different websites up from some of your competition and some for a couple of specific reasons, but I'll show you that. Also apologize ahead of time for my cold, and I'm sucking on a mint to try to help me get through that. But just want to show you, you guys got a great looking color scheme on your website and everything. Your logo is cool. One of the things that we look at is like, what is the content on the website? That's the first thing you got to get right. Does it have the keywords in it that you need, that people are actually searching for? And then is it easy to navigate? So on the navigation piece of it, it is a little bit difficult to find like the service area. So that's something that I would definitely change. Maybe a few other tweaks that we could talk about, but that's first and foremost. The second thing that is really standing out to me is that you don't have enough content on your site. So that is one thing that you would definitely want to add. Content that people, Google's trying to rank you for the authority in the space and for the search terms that they're searching for. So we'll look at some of those search terms. I just typed in like AC repair Rogers AR just to see what popped up. You've got a couple of guys running sponsored ads up here in the Google Guaranteed. You've got the Google Business section. Your Google Business profile is what helps push you up in this. So that is based on location, and it is also has to do with how well it's optimized. Some with photos, some with keywords, some with a business description, those sorts of things. Additional things that help with that are called citations. That's the third piece of the puzzle, citations. So I've mentioned one is content, third is citations. Citations are your name, address, and phone number listed on online directories, and those are things that we can go out and get. I look at what your competitor's doing again, figure out what quantity of citations they have, and then we go get 50, 60 more than they have so that they're playing catch up to us. The second piece of the puzzle is what we call backlinks, and I'll go through that in just a moment. So you can see Pascal's ranking #1 for AC repair in the organic section. And then you have Yelp, and then Georgia's Heat and Air, and this blue collar NWA. So let's look at your website and dig into the strength of it, because that's going to help push you up for certain keywords down in this organic section. So I use this program called Ahrefs. It allows me to see just how strong your site is, how many referring domains from backlinks you have, what kind of traffic level you have on the site. Right now your site is not very strong on the domain itself. This particular URL is got some strength to it. So kind of your whole website is not very strong, but one page is got a little bit of strength to it. And that's coming from these 23 backlinks that you have. You've got 395 different keywords being found on your site. And you can see that the little bit of work that you guys have done has helped drive that up. 477 traffic per month. And this is over the last 2 years, that's increased by 393 per month. So it has moved a little bit over the last couple of years. It's definitely has some ability to be stronger. So let's look at the keywords. And I just pulled these keywords out of the search so that they all contain like Rogers, Springdale, Bentonville, Fayetteville, one of our cities, Bella Vista. And you can see like Rogers Heating and Air, 150 searches a month. You guys are in the position of 90 on that, so not high at all. Coleman Air Conditioning, Rogers AR, you're ranking #5 for that. There's 100 searches for that a month, so that's decent right there. HVAC Springdale, 100 searches a month. You guys aren't getting found at all. You're in 57th position. HVAC Fayetteville, 100 searches a month, 35th position. Everything with Coleman in the name has, you guys are ranking a little higher for that. Furnace Repair Fayetteville, 90 searches a month, 33rd position. AC Repair Fayetteville AR, 90 searches a month, 21st position. So, you climbed up a little bit on these, but still not in the top 10. And we definitely want to get you there so that you can get those calls coming to your business. AC Companies Bella Vista, 70 searches a month. You guys are in the 71st place. So you can kind of see like what I look at when I'm going through here and figuring out what are the good keywords to go for. I also look at this metric right here, which is difficulty. And so sometimes we'll make a decision to go after a certain keyword based on difficulty as well. But we kind of compare that with the actual search volume. Now, Pascal's site is pretty large. They've got a decent amount of content on it, but again, it's still not enough. They have some blog posts posted up here, but definitely more content than what you guys have. They could do better for sure. And you can see that their site is getting, HVAC, Fayetteville AR, 100 searches a month, and they're in position 2. We've got some plumbing guys, AC repair, 90 searches a month, they're in position 2. And you got HVAC Rogers AR, 60 searches a month, position 2. HVAC service, Fayetteville AR, 50, position 2. They've done a lot of work on this, but I look at the difficulty of 0, a difficulty of 3, difficulty of 2. Even though they're in the second position, if we're in position 3 or in 1, we're going to be able to get some of that search coming from them and take some of that market share away from those guys. I did look at duct cleaning just to see what was going on there. So I did duct cleaning, Rogers AR. Got a couple of guys running some sponsored ads for that. Some additional sponsored ads down here. So this is just your regular Google ad. This is the Google guaranteed ad. So there's a difference between those two. You've got NWA duct cleaning is taking the top organics place, and then you guys are actually in the 3rd position for duct cleaning right there for Rogers. And let's look at just what NWA duct cleaning is doing. Their website is not very good graphically. This looks more actually kind of like a lead gen site to me than a company's website, but it's just not real professionally made. But that doesn't matter because you can rank a site like that pretty high. NWA duct cleaning, 20 searches a month, they're in 1st position. Duct cleaning Fayetteville AR, 60 searches a month, 2nd position. Duct cleaning Bentonville, 50 searches a month. So there's a lot of different search volume for a lot of these different keywords. And we would just need to figure out what are the keywords that are best if you're trying to build more service, if you're trying to build more new installations, what is the best thing that you want to do, or if you want to attack specific something like duct cleaning. Maybe you're ranking high in Rogers, but you're not ranking so high in Fayetteville or some of these other towns. So again, the 3 things that I'm looking for is content on your website. Content is king. 1,500 words minimum. It needs to be keyword rich. So you've got to have, I usually do 300 words per keyword. And then we mentioned that, a specific amount of time so that Google doesn't think that we're spamming the site. Second piece is backlinks. These have to be stronger backlinks than what your competitors are. And I can dig in there and see what those backlinks are for those different competitors for certain keywords. And then we go get a better, stronger backlink. And this over time, we can pass those guys up. Third thing is citations. This is your name, address, and phone number listed on online directories. We go out and get these for you. Make sure that all of that matches up. Your hours of business are matched up. All of those things on your citations helps pass power to your site and build it up and make it stronger. But I'd love to talk with you guys further about how we can help you move this thing further along and get up higher in the search. We also do Google ad campaigns if you need some assistance on that, or just checking how your campaigns are doing now, and really try to bring you guys some more business and growth in 2025. Again, my name is Paul Heck with Grassfire Digital Marketing. Thanks.